Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A6 and the Dzire. These two vehicles represent very different philosophies in the automotive world. The Audi A6 offers luxury and performance, while the Dzire focuses on affordability and practicality. Understanding their core differences is key to deciding which car aligns best with your lifestyle and driving requirements. Let's dive into what sets them apart. When it comes to performance, the Audi A6 typically features more powerful engines, often with turbocharged options, delivering robust acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. It integrates sophisticated driver assistance systems and premium infotainment. The Dzire, on the other hand, offers smaller, fuel-efficient engines designed for economical daily commuting. Its features are practical, focusing on convenience and reliability for city driving. Inside, the Audi A6 provides a highly refined experience with high-quality leather, wood, or metal accents, and ample space for 5 adults. Its advanced infotainment system is intuitive and feature-rich. The Dzire offers a well-designed, practical interior with durable materials. While not luxurious, it provides comfortable seating and sufficient space for its segment, making it a pleasant environment for everyday travel. Ultimately, the Audi A6 commands a much higher price point, reflecting its luxury status, advanced engineering, and premium features. It's for those who prioritize performance, comfort, and brand prestige. The Dzire is a highly economical option, both in purchase price and running costs, making it an excellent choice for individuals or small families seeking reliable, efficient, and affordable transportation. Your decision hinges on your priorities and budget.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.